All right, today we're going to bring some bungee cords, and these are perfect pretty much for anything, especially for your vehicle. If you have a truck and you want to tie down some things, these are perfect. Now, these are stretchable and they're also retractable with actual pulling in place. So these are manual, right? They're not automatic or anything, but they give you a lot, and we're actually going to use it because we're going to organize ourselves. I do own some green mats for golf, and they're always unwinding, and this is a perfect. I'm actually going to use two of them for it, and I could even tighten them up and shorten them out. So I'm going to put that together and see how it looks. All right, like I mentioned, I have two of these, but today we're just going to do one, and they're large. They're awfully large, but they take a lot of space. So we're going to wind it down, curve it down as much as we can. Organizing. Look at that. You got plenty of room. Tied up some more. Organize it more. There we go. That's pretty much it right there. Got it nice and tight. These are perfect to organize, to travel, take some luggages, tie down pretty much anything. Strong, durable. Hope you guys enjoy the video.